Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by cutting power to any nearby heaters and shutting off the tub water supply, then open the access panel so you can see the plumbing. Once visible, remove the faucet trim and overflow plate so you can reach the drain connection and mounting hardware. Make sure to score the exterior caulk with a utility knife. This frees the flange and prevents tearing. From here, loosen any exposed screws or bolts holding the drop-in into the deck. You're ready to move into disconnecting the drain. You now work on the complex middle. Unthread the drain assembly and remove the P-trap so the tub is free from plumbing constraints. Plug or cap any open lines to avoid spills. Next, take out all mounting clips or bolts under the flange and use a putty knife to cut remaining adhesive around the perimeter. Once everything is free, have at least one helper. Lift straight up with plywood or straps under the rim to distribute weight and avoid chipping the deck. You finish by setting the removed tub on protective pads and checking the exposed subfloor and framing for rot or damage. Patch or reinforce now if needed. Once the area is clean, scrape old mastic and caulk down to bare deck so your new unit seats flush. Measure the cutout and drain location and keep trim and screws for reuse. If the tub won't budge or the flange separates, stop and score the adhesive fully. Use a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.